Welcome. Today we'll find the derivative of the function y equals x times the square root of x using the product rule. Let's recall the product rule. The derivative of a product of two functions u times v is equal to u times the derivative of v plus v times the derivative of u. For our function, let's identify u and v. We'll let u equal x and v equal the square root of x. Now let's find the derivatives of u and v separately. The derivative of u with respect to x is simply 1. For v, we need to use the power rule on the square root. Remember, the square root is the same as x to the 1/2 power. So the derivative of v is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 power. Now let's substitute these into the product rule formula. We get x times the derivative of v, which is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2, plus the square root of x times the derivative of u, which is 1. Let's simplify this expression. In the first term, x times x to the negative 1/2 simplifies to x to the 1/2 power. Then we multiply this by 1/2. The second term is already simplified as the square root of x. Now we can combine like terms. Remember that the square root of x is the same as x to the 1/2 power. Our final answer is 3/2 times x to the 1/2 power, or 3/2 times the square root of x. Let's visualize both the original function and its derivative. The blue curve shows our original function x times square root of x, and the orange curve shows its derivative 3/2 times square root of x.